Kia Telluride has been a game-changer in the SUV market since its debut, and for 2025, Kia takes it to another level. Packed with refined design updates, advanced technology, and enhanced performance, the 2025 Kia Telluride is here to set a new benchmark in the midsize SUV segment. Welcome to Future View, where we explore the vehicles shaping tomorrow. Let's dive into what makes the 2025 Kia Telluride so special. The 2025 Kia Telluride greets the road with a bold and sophisticated presence. The front fascia has been reimagined with a sleeker grille design and upgraded LED headlights that seamlessly integrate into the body. The redesigned bumper gives it a rugged edge, while the chiseled lines running across the hood and side profile ensure a modern, dynamic aesthetic. At the rear, the Telluride features updated tail lights and a reworked bumper that enhances aerodynamics. Optional 20-inch alloy wheels add an extra layer of style and performance. Kia also introduces new color options for 2025, including an eye-hacking glacier gray and forest green. The 2025 Telluride strikes a perfect balance between boldness and elegance. Step inside and you're greeted with luxury. Kia has taken the Telluride's interiors to new heights, offering premium materials like available quilted leather seats, brushed aluminum accents, and ambient lighting for a cozy yet sophisticated feel. The cabin is spacious, seating up to 8 passengers comfortably, with generous legroom in all 3 rows. The panoramic sunroof now extends further, flooding the cabin with natural light. Kia has also enhanced the sound insulation for a quieter ride, making long journeys more enjoyable. Whether you're headed to the mountains or navigating city streets, the Telluride ensures comfort for all. Technology takes center stage in the 2025 Telluride. The centerpiece is the new dual 12.3-inch panoramic display that integrates both the digital instrument cluster and infotainment system. The system supports wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and over-the-air updates to keep your software current. Kia's latest UVO system offers seamless connectivity, navigation, and remote features via your smartphone. A head-up display provides critical driving information directly in your line of sight. The available 14-speaker Harman Kardon sound system ensures an immersive audio experience. Additionally, rear-seat passengers can enjoy their own entertainment with dual touchscreens mounted on the back of the front seats. Performance and capability. Under the hood, the 2025 Kia Telluride comes with a refined 3.8-liter vehicle-6 engine, delivering 291 horsepower and 262 lp-f torque. Paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, the Telluride provides a smooth and responsive driving experience. For 2025, Kia has fine-tuned the suspension for improved handling and ride comfort. Available all-wheel drive with torque vectoring ensures that Telluride remains capable on rough terrain or during adverse weather conditions. The new off-road package includes skid plates, all-terrain tires, and enhanced driving modes, making this SUV even more versatile. If fuel efficiency is a concern, Kia now offers a hybrid variant, combining a smaller turbocharged engine with an electric motor to deliver an impressive MPG rating without compromising performance. Safety. Kia continues its commitment to safety with the Telluride. The 2025 model includes an upgraded suite of driver assistance features, branded as Kia Drive Wise. These include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot collision avoidance, and a 360-degree camera system. The new intersection collision avoidance system and highway driving assist make city and highway navigation safer than ever. With a 5-star safety rating, the 2025 Kia Telluride provides peace of mind for families and adventurers alike. The 2025 Kia Telluride offers a range of trims to suit different needs and budgets, from the well-equipped base LX to the luxurious SX Prestige. Pricing starts at an attractive $37,000 for the base model, with top trims reaching around $55,000 when fully loaded. With so many options, there's a Telluride for everyone. The 2025 Kia Telluride builds on its legacy with smart updates, blending style, comfort, technology, and capability into one impressive package. Whether you're looking for a family-friendly SUV, a luxurious daily driver, or a capable off-road companion, the Telluride delivers it all. Thanks for tuning in to Future Fuel. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights on the cars shaping the future. Stay fueled, and we'll see you next time.